We'll start by writing or choosing a prompt to create the widget. This gives us a basic version we can build on. Next, we'll connect to Google Source so the widget can pull in real data automatically. Now we'll choose a predefined template. Choose between carousel, wall of love, or moving waterfall. Next, in iDesign, we'll fine-tune the design using AI. We'll change colors, background. Also can add custom buttons or CTAs until it looks right. When everything is ready, we'll go to the Embed tab, copy the code, and add it to the website. And finally, go to EmbedSocial and build your new Google Reviews widget in seconds.